How to fix Instagram Reels camera lagging problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram Reels camera lagging problem solved. So guys, what you need to do here, the first step I'm going to share with you is that you have to just make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. Okay, to check if your Instagram is update or not, you just need to go to Play Store, and then, or if you're using iOS, go to App Store, and then you have to search for Instagram here, and then you have to check whether your Instagram is updated or not. As you can see here, if it is written update here, then make sure to click on update, and then update your Instagram. After updating your Instagram, you can just check it out whether the problem has been solved or not. Guys, if the problem is not solved, then what you need to do, you have to go to your settings here. Okay, after going to your settings, what you need to do here, you have to go to app management. Here you can see, simply tap on app management, and then this type of interface will pop up. You have to go to app manage or app list, and then here you have to search for Instagram. First of all, you have to search for Instagram. Okay, here is it. Now you have to click on storage usage, and you have to clear the data as well as the cache. Okay, after doing this, you have to just go back and then click on force stop button, and then you have to stop the force. Now here, after doing this, you can check it out whether the problem has been solved or not. And then the main point is that you have to make sure that you go to permission on Instagram, and then make sure that your camera is allowed, that your camera should be allowed. So now after doing this, you can check it out whether the problem has been solved or not. Guys, if it is solved, then okay, and then you have to come to the list of this application, and then here you have to search for camera. Okay, so after clicking the camera, you have to just force stop once the camera, and then click on storage usage, and then you have to clear the data here also. Okay, and then now you can just click on permission option, and then allow each and every permission here, and then you can just check it out. The problem will absolutely solve. So guys, the last thing what you have to do is that you have to check whether your system is asking for any update or not. I mean, your phone is asking for any update or not. If your phone is asking for any update, make sure to update your device, and the problem will absolutely solve. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.